Hi guys, it's Yianni from Yiannimize, and today I'm in a Lamborghini Huracan. This car belongs to a gentleman called Tyrrell Hatton. He's the first ever professional golfer's car that we worked on. Obviously we do football players, we do cricketers, musicians, but finally we've got a golfer. So we supplied this car to him from Lamborghini Huracan in London. We have then wrapped it in satin black. We've done gloss black wheels, purple calipers, tinted the windows, and we have fitted an iPE exhaust, and that is why I'm in the car today, for you guys to have a listen. I hope you enjoy the video. So it goes from Strada, and then we open the valves in sport, and as you can hear already, it's a lot louder. Woo! So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. The customer's on his way down now to pick up this car and see it for the very first time. Exhaust is unreal, and I know he's going to be buzzing. We'll try and get an interview with him as well when he turns up. But from me and Chase, who's filming, I'll see you soon.
Hi, I'm Tyrrell Hatton, professional golfer on the European Tour. Originally I was going to go for a Ferrari 458, but when I had that delivered, Yianni went over it, and to cut a long story short, we caught the guy on CCTV colouring it in with a Sharpie, and so Yianni started looking at cars for me and he suggested the Huracan, and after test driving it in America I decided that was a car for me. I chose Satin Black because I thought it'd be pretty cool, nice and stealth. My favourite colour is purple, so I had to get the purple calipers in there. I heard about Yiannimize on just social media, so on Instagram, so I followed them for a few years now, so for me it's so cool to finally have a car wrapped by them. Yianni's been, he's been amazing. He sorted everything out for me whilst I was in America for 3 months. Sourced the car, got the car wrapped, and on a deadline for me, and the service has been amazing.